By 2030, over 40 million Americans will be single, childless, and likely aging alone, facing a financial burden that could top $1 million. This isn't just a social trend, it's a looming personal finance crisis. The traditional family often provided an informal safety net, shared expenses, caregiving. That net is eroding. Americans aging solo are skyrocketing, driven by delayed marriage, lower birth rates, and increased longevity. What does this shift mean for your wallet, your future, and your peace of mind? We've heard countless stories, but one truly resonated. Sarah, a vibrant 58-year-old marketing consultant, always assumed she'd have a partner or children around. Life had other plans. Now, facing her golden years alone, she's realized the true cost of solo aging. She explained, it's not just loneliness, it's every unexpected expense landing squarely on your shoulders, with no one else to share the load. Think about it. Who fixes unexpected home repairs? Who provides informal care after surgery? Without a spouse or adult children, these become paid services. The average cost of in-home care? Over $60,000 a year. A private room in a nursing home? Easily over $100,000 annually. Without a family network, that financial responsibility is entirely yours. Are you factoring that into your retirement projections? Beyond direct care, consider compounded costs. Maintaining a home alone means all utility bills, property taxes, and maintenance fall to you. Lack of shared resources, like splitting groceries or car insurance, adds up significantly over decades. What about managing finances during cognitive decline, or critical medical decisions without an advocate? The administrative burden alone can be overwhelming, let alone potential financial exploitation. So, what can you do if you foresee aging alone? First, turbocharge your emergency fund. Aim for 12 to 18 months of living expenses, not the standard 3 to 6. This is your personal safety net. Second, seriously investigate long-term care insurance now, while young and healthy. Premiums are far more manageable, a critical hedge against catastrophic care costs. Don't wait until options are limited or prohibitively expensive. Third, build your chosen family. This isn't just emotional support, it's creating a reciprocal network for practical and even financial assistance. Consider co-housing or intentional communities prioritizing mutual aid. Fourth, prioritize estate planning, power of attorney, healthcare directives, and a robust will and non-negotiable. Designate trusted friends or professional fiduciaries. Finally, consciously budget for social engagement and mental well-being. Isolation quickly leads to health issues and more medical bills. Aging alone doesn't have to mean aging in crisis. It requires a different, more intentional approach to personal finance and life planning. The future you want starts with the choices you make today. Don't let this silent epidemic catch you unprepared. Take control of your financial destiny. If you found this insight valuable, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more essential financial strategies. Your future self will thank you.